All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2011 Ford Econoline. That's right, folks, the Ford Econoline. I haven't seen this in a long time. It is the T250. I'm sorry, E250 with 200,000 miles. It's going to be called as is for the mileage. It's got roof racks, boom, power windows, power door locks. It's got steering wheel controls or cruise control on there. Super nice. Let's go real quick, being that this car is as is. I'll just give you guys an overview of it. Your bumper looks okay. Your hood looks okay. Your grille looks all right. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire tread here is over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter here looks good. Yeah, I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. No. Huh. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. Your tire tread here is just a hairline above 4/32, as you can see there. Got your roof racks, boom, or your ladder rack, whatever you want to call it. You got your power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. So you can see that looks good. Does have an armrest. Boom. Looks very nice. I don't see any. Does have some. The starting of it cracking, but it's not cracked all the way yet. It is starting, just like here as well. This car does come with the 1 key and 1 key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. Jump real quick in here. Show you guys instrument cluster, stuff like that. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your cup holders and stuff like that. You got your cruise control on both sides here. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You do have a tire light on, and your mileage of 219,000. 219,000 miles. There it is. No other lights, no nothing else. I don't know what this is. We got a little button here. Don't know what it does. It says Fomoco on it, so it's factory, but I don't know. You got, of course, your divider here, which that door opens and closes. All right, keep it moving. Keeping it moving. You got your rear bumper. That looks pretty good. It does have for your ball there. All right. You swing out. Boom. Likewise here. Boom. Both doors do swing out, as you can see. Pow. This is what it looks like from your rear cargo area. Of course, you got your shelvings and stuff like that on both sides. It looks pretty good. That one's a little warped there. Put a piece of wood there and you're good. You're good. Alright. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. That tire tread looks fantabulous. Way over 13/32. Got a couple little chips on this side. No big deal. Got a dent over here. Alright. The rest of it looks pretty good. Likewise on both sides. This looks good. This looks good. This is what your looks like on the side. Got your wall divider here. Like I said, this door does open up, boom, and close. That's about it. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger your front passenger seat. The holes don't there's no rips. Fender looks good. A little dingy right there. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire tread. This at around 6/32. Lights are working. Car is running. Things look great. AC is ice cold, by the way. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2011 Ford E250 with 200,000 miles as is for the mileage. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.